Hello friends, I am Rasmiranjan Patnaik and I am welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. So आज हम 26 जून के कुछ करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे. So let's start the video. The behavior change campaign called Navigation the New Normal has been launched by Niti Aayog in partnership with Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation, Ashok University, Center for Social and Behavioral Change, and the Minister of Health and the Minister of Child and Women Development. So, एक कैंपेन लॉन्च किया गया है जिसका नाम है नेविगेशन द न्यू नॉर्मल, जो कि नीति आयोग ने लॉन्च किया है और पार्टनरशिप इसके कौन कौन है? बिल एंड मिलिंडा गेट्स फाउंडेशन, अशोक यूनिवर्सिटी, सेंटर फॉर सोशल बिहेवियरल चेंज एंड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ हेल्थ एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट. And the CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. This one is important. Next. The Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, who is Dharmendra Pradhan, has inaugurated a Product Application and Development Center, PADC, Product Application and Development Center, सेट अप बाय इंडियन ऑयल एट पारादीप. सो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, जो कि हमारे यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस एंड स्टील, ही इनागुरेटेड ए प्रोडक्ट एप्लीकेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर इन इंडियन ऑयल एट पारादीप. सो द प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट इज 43 crore, विच इज USD 6.10 billion rupees. And CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik and Governor of Odisha is Ganeshi Lal. The Global Terror Financing Watchdog Financial Action Task Force, FATF, it is very important that full form of FATF is Financial Action Task Force, has decided to keep Pakistan in the grey list for terror financing as the country failed to check flow of money to the terror group, so that they put Pakistan in the grey list. The grey list is the list in which the terror financing countries are listed. Okay, and it is listed by FATF, Financial Action Task Force. So headquarter of Financial Action Task Force is Paris, France, and founded in July 1989. Next one. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has virtually launched a path-breaking scheme, आत्मनिर्भर उत्तर प्रदेश रोजगार अभियान. ये एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अभियान है माइग्रेंट्स वर्कर्स के लिए. जो माइग्रेंट्स वर्कर कोरोना वायरस के लिए बाहर से आ रहे हैं, मीन्स अलग स्टेट से उत्तर प्रदेश में आए हैं, उनके लिए ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया गया है. क्या है? आत्मनिर्भर उत्तर प्रदेश रोजगार योजना, विच इज लॉन्च्ड फॉर जनरेटिंग द एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स. Tripura government has announced an ambitious scheme, मुख्यमंत्री मातृ पोषित उपहार, to providing nutritious kits to pregnant and lactating women in order to combat infant and maternal mortality and manufacturing. So त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट ने एक प्रोग्राम और स्कीम लॉन्च किया है जिसका नाम है मुख्यमंत्री मातृ पुष्टि उपहार, जो कि है एक न्यूट्रिशन किट फॉर प्रेग्नेंट एंड लैक्टेटिंग वुमेन in order to combat infant and maternity mortality and malnutrition. So हमारे देश में ये मोर्टेलिटी रेट, मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी रेट जो है वो हाईएस्ट है. इसलिए त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट ने एक इनिशिएटिव शुरू किया है जिसके तहत वो एक न्यूट्रिशन किट देंगे प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन को, जो कि मोर्टेलिटी रेट कम हो जाएगा इन्फेंट में. So CM of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Dev and Governor of Tripura is Ramesh Bayas. The International Monetary Fund IMF short form. The International Monetary Fund has projected that Indian economy will experience a sharp contraction of 4.55 in the fiscal year 2021. So IMF ने इंडिया का जीडीपी ग्रोथ वो डिग्रेड करके 4.55 रख दिया है. ओके कितना परसेंट घटाया है? 1.9% पिछले ईयर से उन्होंने घटाकर 4.55 रखा है. सो द प्रोजेक्शन हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड बाय IMF इन द लेटेस्ट वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक आउटलुक. सो द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक आउटलुक वाज launched by IMF or was produced by IMF. So the theme of this project is, or the theme of this World Economic Outlook is, a crisis like no other, an uncertain outlook. Liverpool has won the English Premier League 2019-20 and it's won for the first time in the history of Liverpool. Liverpool has won English Premier League 2019 and 20. Next, Claire Canner to become first female president of Marylebone Cricket Club, जो कि ये MCC बहुत ही फेमस है. MCC क्रिकेट क्लब, उनके फर्स्ट फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट इन 233 ईयर हिस्ट्री. ओके सो MCT फाउंडेड इन 1787 and headquartered in London, United Kingdom. So she is the first female president of MCC. Now one New Zealand wicket keeper, her name is Rachel Priest, has announced her retirement from international cricket, and she was a wicketkeeper and batswoman. Her name is Rachel Priest. Now डिफेंस कॉन्क्लेव 2020 जो कि गुजरात में हुआ था हैज़ बीन इनागुरेटेड बाय रक्षा राज्य मंत्री श्री श्रीपद नायक. सो डिफेंस कॉन्क्लेव 2020 हैज़ बीन इनागुरेटेड बाय रक्षा राज्य मंत्री श्रीपद नायक. हमारे रक्षा राज्य मंत्री कौन है? श्रीपद नायक. और ये जो डिफेंस कॉन्क्लेव हुआ था कहाँ हुआ था? गुजरात में. ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि डिफेंस कॉन्क्लेव हमारा गुजरात में हुआ था. नाउ द डेज. इंटरनेशनल डे इन सपोर्ट ऑफ विक्टिम्स ऑफ टॉर्चर इज ऑन 26 June. So International Day in support of victims of torture. Now UN headquarters is in Newark, USA. UN founded in 24 October 1945 and Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking 26 June. So International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking 26 June. Theme is better knowledge for better care. And UN Office of Drug Crime headquarters is Vienna, Austria, founded on 1997. So the theme of the International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking is better knowledge for better care. Now, the world's first yoga university outside India has been launched in Los Angeles, US, and the name of that university is the Vivekananda Yoga University or VAYU. Vivekananda Yoga University or VAYU. The university has been launched in Los Angeles, US. International Yoga Day is in June 21 and the theme was Yoga for Health and Yoga at Home. The Kempegowda International Airport, operated by Bengaluru International Airport Limited, has become the first airport in India to have an indigenous developed Aviation Weather Monitoring System, AWMS. So the full form of AWMS is Aviation Weather Monitoring System. It is the first airport which has the aviation weather monitoring system. Now, National Aerospace Laboratory headquarters is on Bangalore, and ISRO headquarters is also in Bangalore. Now, National Aerospace Laboratory Director is Jitendra J. Jadhav. So, National Aerospace Laboratory Director is Jitendra J. Jadhav. Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra and filmmaker Anurag Kashyap has been among the 50 ambassadors at 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival, TIFF 2020. Okay, so two film persons, Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap, has been named among the 50 ambassadors at 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020. So Toronto International Film Festival starts 1976 and its headquarters is in Toronto, Canada. With this video is over. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.